Hello, class 12 physics revision questions with answers for board exam 2020. Question number 7. This is Bohr's atomic model. Based on this question number 7 is regarding Bohr's atomic model. This is the question. Derive an expression for the radius of nth Bohr's orbit in hydrogen atom. This question is from sample paper for 2 marks. Okay. Now we will go to the solution part of it. So this is a diagram. This represents nth orbit. Other orbits not shown. The nth orbit. This is a nucleus containing one proton. This is an electron in the orbit. The radius of the nth orbit r subscript n. Velocity v subscript n of this electron. Okay. So here the question is asking about hydrogen atom. So for hydrogen atom Z is 1. So just a plus E. Otherwise you should put plus Z times E, capital Z, which is the number of positive, that is number of protons inside the nucleus is represented by the Z number. Okay. Centripetal, see when the electrons go around this nucleus, there should be centripetal force. Without the centripetal force, circular motion is not possible. Here the centripetal force is equal to force of attraction between this electron and this proton. So centripetal force mvn squared by Rn. Force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction between them, k q1 q2 by r squared, k q1 q2 e squared by Rn squared. Here k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. You can cancel out one Rn. So you will get mvn squared is equal to ke squared by Rn. Okay, this is you call this as equation number 1. But there is something called Bohr's quantization principle, which states that angular momentum of an electron in any stationary orbit will be equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi. This is the angular momentum. Angular momentum of the electron in the orbit, stable orbit, formula is mvr. Here mvn Rn nh by 2 pi. Integral multiple of h by 2 pi. This is known as Bohr's quantization principle. Okay, from this you get Vn. So take Vn, m and Rn will go to the other side. So nh by 2 pi m Rn, squaring Vn. Vn square is n square h squared 4 pi square m squared Rn squared. This is equation 2. There is one Vn square here. Here we got Vn squared. So substitute 2 in 1 for Vn squared. This m you write as it is. For Vn square you substitute this. That should be equal to ke squared by Rn. For k I have given here as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Understand that? And you cancel out the common terms here. So 4 will get cancelled. Pi square and pi. 1 pi will get cancelled. Rn squared and Rn, 1 Rn will get cancelled. So simplifying you get this. N squared h squared divided by pi m Rn is equal to e squared by epsilon naught. Our aim is to find Rn. Therefore Rn is epsilon naught into n squared h squared by pi m e squared. This is the radius of nth orbit of nth Bohr's orbit in hydrogen atom. Understood it? Thank you. Like and subscribe. Once again, thank you.